A common question we see a lot: has Qonto raised funding recently? It's an important question in the competitive European fintech space, so let's get right into the most recent activity. The short answer is no, not in the past 2 years, at least not in the form of a major venture capital round. Qonto's last major funding announcement was a massive Series D round, which closed in January 2022. This was a record-breaking raise for French fintech at the time, pulling in €486 million, or about $552 million, and catapulting their valuation to $5 billion. That round included high-profile investors like Tiger Global and TCV. Since then, the focus has shifted. Instead of another big capital injection, Qonto has been focused on expansion and demonstrating financial maturity. They've made key strategic acquisitions, notably acquiring the German neobank Penta and the accounting automation platform Reg8. Crucially, the company has announced that it reached profitability in 2023. Achieving profitability is a huge milestone for any high-growth company, and it often signals a shift away from needing continuous large fundraising rounds. Furthermore, Qonto recently announced a significant step in their long-term growth plan, filing for a full banking license in France. This will allow them to offer services like lending and a broader range of products, moving beyond their current payment institution status. This strategy, using existing capital and profits to fund major milestones, suggests they are focused on operational scale and market penetration rather than another quick funding headline. So, while the headlines might be quiet on a new Series E, the company is demonstrating strength and growth through profitability, strategic acquisitions, and a big push for a full banking license. They are leveraging their last major raise to build a truly comprehensive European business finance solution.